In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude to Roblox Studio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but two prerequisites. You need to, of course, have Roblox Studio and you also need to have Claude, the desktop app, installed on your PC as well. As you can see, I have both of those right now. So just keep that in mind. Also, before we get started, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game development template. If you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links in the description. It's extremely helpful for developing a game. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up Roblox Studio and you need to click on the AI assistant or like the little star icon up in the top right. This kind of close to your profile picture, but go ahead and select this. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to see this AI assistant pop up all the way down here. Click the three little dots up in the top right corner and you're going to see manage MCP servers. Go ahead and just find this, open it up, and you need to turn this on. So enable Studio as an MCP server, just like so. And then you're going to see a Claude Desktop option on here as well. Go ahead and tick this on as well. There's also Claude Code. If you do have that as well, you can go ahead and go in here and you'll see the specific script that you need to go ahead and add in to your command prompt. But we're going to skip over that for now. Instead, open up setup instructions, find this JSON configuration, and just go ahead and copy this. You can open it up or you could just hit copy. It doesn't necessarily matter. But from here, that's when you're going to want to open up Claude. So open up Claude next. It's going to load for a little bit. And once you're in Claude, what you need to go ahead and do is click menu all the way over here. It'll look something like this. Hit file then. And then you need to go into your settings. So open up your settings and then in this section, find the developer section on here, all the way down here. Open this up and then it's going to look something like this. Go ahead and select edit config and this will open up the Claude desktop files, which will look something like this for you. You're going to see this JSON file right here. Go ahead and select it and open it up with like a notepad or really any of these. I recommend just using notepad, but open this up. It's going to load for a little bit again. And then what you need to go ahead and do is essentially just paste the Roblox JSON configuration into the file. If you already have a bunch of other MCP servers on the file, make sure that the JSON is combined correctly instead of just replacing everything. So you could go through and paste it in, but you want to copy this exact same format where it has this bracket and then this bracket right here as well. And then another close bracket with a comma. So at the very bottom, essentially just go through, paste this in. And as you can see, it pasted with that format already. But the process really is as simple as that. Make sure that you save when you get out of that file, and then you're going to have to restart Claude and also restart Roblox Studio. And then once you go ahead and reopen that up, you're going to see it's going to be connected for that AI assistant instead. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.